A warm welcome to one and all present in here. Let me kick off the session by introducing my teammates Anandi, Tanya, Krishna, Ishmida, Jeevida, and myself Shwe. Today, we are going to showcase our solution to the problem statement for Medicare Star Rating Optimization. Currently, in now, healthcare organizations face significant challenges in tracking and improving star rating across dozens of quality measures. Traditional methods are retrospective, slow, and often fail to identify the actionable improvement opportunities. We need a predictive analytical platform that can forecast star rating across 40 quality measures, identifying the weak areas and opportunities for improvement, providing member level intervention targeting, and stimulate the real time impact of potential changes on all our rating. Our platform empowers organizations to maximize bonus payments, improving member engagement, and ensuring the regulatory compliance. Let's discuss more about our solution.
So today, most healthcare plans rely on few traditional approaches, and each comes with its own challenges. First, there are manual reporting and compliance tools. These do a decent job at fulfilling regulatory requirements, but they don't really help team optimize or predict outcomes in advance. Then we have a standalone analytic dashboards. They can show past performance, sure, but they often stop there. They don't provide real time forecasting or practical actionable steps that organizations can actually use. And finally, consulting led interventions. While these can offer valuable insights, they're often expensive, hard to scale, and heavily dependent on human expertise, which makes them slow and resource intense. Now, the next slide will be explained by Krishna Kumar.
This is our proposed solution in which the predictive and perspective analytics platform in which we can recommend the user using the 40 plus measure. We would recommend them the star prediction and the current analysis of the data, and then we would add some weak and the recommendation to overcome the weak and the impact simulation in which they can know the return of investment, and then report which is based on the 40 plus measures. These are all our proposed solution. Now, Jalam Dinesh will explain the other slide.
Myself, John Dinesh, and I'm here to explain about the features. In our project, there are mainly four features, such as predictive analytics engine, member level intervention targeting, real time impact simulation, and regulatory automation. In predictive analytics engine, we have used an AI-driven predictive models for forecast star rating performance over 40 plus quality measures, ensuring comprehensive evaluation. In member level intervention targeting, we have identified the high impact members most likely to influence performance outcomes and enables the personalized interventions for targeting, outreach, and engagement. In real-time impact simulation, we have simulated potential outcomes of interventions before actually implementing in the real world. Provides a scenario to analyze to test multiple strategies. In regulatory automation, we have generated the compliance-ready reports aligned with the CMS submission standards, minimizes the human error in reporting through automated validation. Yeah, I'm giving this opportunity to Anandi for the further slides.
So we start with data collection, where we gather data from different sources such as Medicare Advantage datasets and CMS average rating datasets. Once the data is collected, it goes to data cleaning, EDA, reprocessing, and feature engineering. In this step, we remove handling missing data and we remove inconsistencies, explore patterns, and transform the raw data into meaningful features that can be used for modeling. Next, we move to the model training phase, where the data is used to train, tune, evaluate machine learning models. The models are optimized to provide accurate predictions of star ratings. Once the model is ready, we move to deployment stage. Here, the trained models deployed on the AWS cloud to enable real-time interface. The deployed model connects to web application where it can fetch artifacts and data, ensuring smooth integration. The web application serves multiple purposes for dashboard, recommendation, water simulator, and week. In dashboard, it provides a visual representation of ratings and performance. In recommendation, suggests targeted intervention for improvement. In water simulator, it allows stakeholders to test different scenarios and see the impact on ratings. The next slide will be explained by Rashmita.
The process begins with a secure login or sign up, ensuring that only authorized user can access the platform. Once logged in, the system identifies the role of the user, either as a general user or as an executive. For user, the platform provides a plan suggestion chatbot. This intelligent assistant guides members in choosing the most suitable Medicare Advantage plan based on their needs. It also helps them to understand their future star rating impact, making the system highly personalized and user friendly. On the executive side, the platform is designed for decision makers who need a deeper insight. Executives can access future star rating prediction to anticipate performance, weak spot identification with targeted recommendation for improvement, and a ROI stimulator to understand the financial impact of intervention, and last, the visualization dashboard that provides clear and actionable insight at a glance. Technical snacks. Front end, we used HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For backend, we used Flash. For report visualization, we used Chart.js. For cloud, we used AWS, database MySQL, and we used machine learning for deploying the model. Further will be continued by Jivita.
Thank you, Ashmita. Here is how we see the future improvement. First, we want to use advanced AI models like deep learning and natural language processing. This allows to make smarter and more accurate predictions about star rating and member outcomes. At second, we wanted to focus on member level engagement tools such as mobile apps, chatbot. This makes it easier to teach it out the members proactively. Proactively means reminding them about screening, medications, or care programs, which directly improve the quality scores. At third, we wanted to build a self-learning system. This self-learning system means system keeps improving automatically as new data comes in from CMS and clients. So instead of being static, it continuously adapts and becomes more accurate over time. This way the improvement is not just one time, but ongoing, helps healthcare providers stay ahead. To summarize, our platform directly helps Medicare Advantage plans in 4 ways. First one is prediction and action. It does not just report, it helps predict rating, find weak spots, and recommend the right actions. At second, the better result. By using the data and AI plans can improve the star rating, which leads to higher get bonuses and also ensures members get better quality care. At third is scalability. The solution is scalable and future ready. It reduces manual effort and dependency on consultants. Third, win-win-win outcome. Member gets healthier and more engaged. Compliance is stronger and the insurance agency achieves more financial growth. So overall, this solution satisfies both sides. Like member benefit from better outreach, reminders and care. Second, the insurance agencies benefit from higher star rating, stronger complaints and increased revenue. So that is how we ensure this solution creates lasting value in healthcare.
Hi, I'm Jivita. I'm going to show our working model. Here on the landing page, user immediately understand the purpose of the platform. They can either explore the demo or log in as a user or executive depending on their role. Here's the demo button. After clicking the demo button, if someone just wanted to explore without creating an account, they can use the demo button. This instantly shows sample data, dashboards and prediction reports so they can get hands-on feel how the system works. Here is our best services and we can also say what our customers rate which is collected as a feedback. To get started, we have a sign in and login page. User can log in or sign up free. Once inside, they get a personalized view like upcoming checkups, screenings, or reminders that directly improve care quality. Who they are? Executive. We have two roles like user and executive. Executive are the one get a powerful dashboard with predictive analytics. They can see which measures need urgent action, track financial impact, and plan strategies to improve star rating. Insurance agencies like managers, executive, or administrators can use this executive login or sign up page. And the user. User on the other hand can able to know personalized reminders and engagement, which plan to be selected or suggested plans to be selected or upcoming trends are in the future. So these many plans can be selected from the user. So I'm just going to create an account with a random page like just creating a strong user password. I'm just selecting the role as executive, creating the account. After getting the account, it's asking for the mail ID which is given OTP over there. I've gotten mail like OTP. I'm just going to paste this OTP over there 377106. Okay, I'm just going to sign in what name I have created. I'm signing as executive. Yeah, this is my landing page. Execute. Welcome back, Jivita. And we have two options, that is current analysis and star prediction. In the current analysis, we can able to see the past year data and the upcoming data and the current number of data, which consists of actually of 44 features. The user can given the input in the .csv format. I'm just going to visualize it like choosing the file from there. I'm just giving the input a random data like health data. Using the data, it's just going to give a current analysis for each and every all the 44 features. So using the data, we can see the average rating of 2.92 out of 5, and it also gives the rating for each and every category. I have already told that there are 44 features. Here the breast cancer screening, colorectal cancer screening, and annual flu vaccine. So these many 44 features, and it also gives all the prediction for each and every categories of out of 5 rating. This is how the current analysis page works. Next we move on to the star prediction. Star prediction is the page which is used to visualize the future prediction so that the agencies can able to tackle the challenges which comes in the future days. This also works by choosing the file from my files. I'm just selecting a random data like sample data. Using this data, it's just going to predict how my prediction is going to be in the future for out of 5 rating. So it says 3.42 for out of 5 rating. This is how the agency executives can able to see how the rating is going to be in the future. Next we move on to the weak areas. Weak areas is the page is an actual and is one of the feature. Using this feature, the insurance agencies or executive came to know in which properties or in which feature they are facing struggle or they are facing challenges to overcome. So this can be identified by this weak areas feature that we have added in our portal. So this can be taken the input from the user like CSV format. I'm just giving the sample data over here. For this data, sorry, just going to give sample data. Gives a file selected. I'm just going to click on the performance analysis. Gets loading. Takes some time to get loaded. Yeah, we can see the analysis given by the system. So we can see out of 44 features, we can see the diabetes care eye exam, health plan quality improvement, medication adherence for hypertension. So these categories are considered to be the weak features because they contribute less to the out of 5 rating star rating prediction. So this shows the insurance agents or executive to focus more on these categories so that it automatically create an impact on overall star rating. And it also gives us strategies like diabetes care eye exam, how to improve the star rating. It also gives strategies, and for the health plan quality improvement and for the medication. So for all the three, and see what are the weak points and what are the strategies given for each and every weak features. Next we move on to the simulator. Simulator is also called as ROI simulator or what if calculator. So it's indicating the same simulator. ROI is a return of investment. It actually indicating how much investment can be given from the CMS portal, can be obtained by the CMS government. Based on their performance, CMS used to give fund to the each and every insurance agents. So here using this simulator, what if simulator or ROI simulator, the agents can or executive can able to tune their performance. What if they increase the number of Medicare numbers? What if the CMS bonus increases how much dollars of $25 of this much improvement? And they have a feature type of digital engagement, care coordination, member education. So digital engagement is to give an reminder like digital callways or emails, and the care coordination just to give an member wise coordination to the particular patient. Member education just to give an awareness for every customer. Provide a tool. So these many features are there. And action type, so already I have told there are 44 features, so we have segregated all the 44 features into four. One is preventive care. Some features lie under the preventive care like breast cancer screening, collateral screening, and these like features are fall under over there. And next the chronic condition, like the diseases that can't be curable like diabetes, heart attack. So these categories are fall under chronic condition. And plan administration. So this is the category feature that denotes the steps taken by the particular insurance agent to improve their service satisfaction. So these are the three feature we have given in the drop down. And what if we selecting these categories and what if they include? So by selecting the calculate star rating, we can see, so our rating will increase by 0.70. Projected star rating will be 4 point out of 5, it will increase by 4.20. And market competitiveness, you have gotten 1.0. These many have you see. So one of the important feature is ROI. On increasing these many features, you can get a profit of around $4,339 from the CMS portal. So it actually seems to be profitable to the insurance, no? So this is what the insights given by the simulator, what if simulator. And it also gives this intervention shows a positive, so you can go ahead with this plan, which is just given strategic insights. So next we move on to the reports. Reports the actual page of performance report that provides the insights that how the company is working by giving. This is a performance report, overall rating, appointment satisfaction, service satisfaction. So these are our features given, are predicted or visualized based on the input given by the user. So current performance rate is 4 out of 5. This is based on the recent uploaded data. Domain performance, so I have told the domain performance, we have four domain: preventive care, chronic condition, patient. So here in this graph we can see that preventive care calculates the most, and patient experience, so this is important for that particular insurance agent. So they usually collects the feedback from the customers, that how this appointment satisfaction, how customer service satisfaction, care quality, so where they are lagging off, they just want to increase, no? So by using this report page, they can able to know where they are in, how can we improve. So these many insights can be discussed over there. And performance trend, by using this performance trend, a particular agent or viewers can know the past record they have standing in 3.9, but in the present record they are standing over 4. So this seems to be somewhat they increasing in a consistent way. So this is how they can visualize, this is how they can know how their particular insurance agents is working. Next we move on to the setting, and we also able to see, here's the timestamp last updated. Once you're clicking on the refresh data, it tells us the latest data which is uploaded by the user. Whenever we're clicking on the refresh data, it shows the updated data over there, so that it gets updated. And the move on to the settings is just making a profile information, change password, giving a email notification. So we also have appearance like theme, like light or dark. Just an user friendly website, making it so user friendly, we can selecting like this is how the setting works. So since now we have seen how the executive side works, so now we can see about the how the user centric user role will work. I'm just logging out. I'm signing in as user. I already created an account, so I'm just signing in as a user. This is how the user interface looks like. uh, in this we are just providing a assistant, so that a particular user can know about what kind of plans are in the trends, and which kind of insurance plan they can claim, so that they get benefit from them. So I'm just providing a please suggest me suggest me a plan for the cancer treatment. Yeah, once we clicking on the please suggest me the plans for cancer treatment, it's just giving a recommendation of top 3 plans. Like Tina is one of the organization, it gives a plan ID. So this Atina Medicare have been the top, because it provides a rating out of 5 with 4.1, seems to be good right now. So the particular user can select the Atina Medicare. And they also gives another plan which is a Blue Cross of Idaho. It provides a plan ID of H1302, provides a rating of 4.0 out of 5. It's also provides seems to be good, no? So United Healthcare all seems to be good. So this is how a recommended plan or AI assistant will work for the user. Yeah, this is how the user interface works. That's all about our Insu-Sync project. I think you all gotten clear understanding how our project works. Yeah, thank you.